Metaphysical rebellion is the movement by which man protests against his condition and against the whole of creation. It is metaphysical because it contests the ends of man and of creation. Metaphysical rebellion is a claim, motivated by the concept of a complete unity, against the suffering of life and death, and the protest against the human condition both for its incompleteness, thanks to death, and its wastefulness, thanks to evil. At the same time that he rejects his mortality, the rebel refuses to recognize the power that compels him to live in this condition. The metaphysical rebel is therefore not definitely an atheist as one might think him, but he is inevitably a blasphemer. Quite simply, he blasphemes primarily in the name of order, denouncing God as the father of death and as the supreme outrage. So the history of metaphysical rebellion cannot be confused with that of atheism. The rebel defies more than he denies. Originally, at least, he does not suppress God. He merely talks to him as an equal, but it is not a polite dialogue. It is a polemic animated by the desire to conquer. When the throne of God is overturned, the rebel realizes that it is now his own responsibility to create the justice, order, and unity that he sought in vain within his own condition, and in this way to justify the fall of God.